I'm Robert Owens, Regional Vice President of Structis Construction Solutions here in the Southeast. The project we're working on is the Marriott TRIBE brand here in Nashville, Tennessee. The scope of our project consisted of leveling the third floor parking deck with our low density fill and then capping it with our Level-Crete 4,000 PSI underlayment. Maxxon's low density fill was the perfect solution to meet the challenges of this job. We were able to go from 7 inches down to 0 and still meet the criteria that the engineer and architect had set forth. When exploring what products to use, the general contractor tried several other solutions. One of the alternate solutions the contractor looked at was trying to use 2-inch foam mechanically fastened to the subfloor. That would have been a labor-intensified process, and not only that, they were worried about the bonding capabilities of the foam board. This job had unique challenges as we were trying to level the third floor parking deck going from approximately 7 inches down to 0. There was a weight tolerance issue, and low density fill provided the perfect solution for not only the engineer, the architect, but the contractor. By us using the low density fill, we were able to not only solve the leveling aspects, the weight aspects, but also provide a smooth and consistent sub-base for our Level-Crete underlayment. With decades of experience, Structis was really the perfect solution for this job. Our team, along with Maxxon, provided the right equipment, the right product, on the right schedule to deliver a great job for our contractor.